Welcome, achievers and go-getters, to 10 Mins Info, your ultimate resource for personal and professional development. Welcome to our channel, 10 Mins Info, where we're diving into the top easy and creative skills you can learn in 2024 to unlock your full potential. First up, why not master the art of cooking? From basic recipes to gourmet dishes, cooking is not only a valuable life skill, but also a creative outlet that allows you to express yourself in the kitchen. Next, let's explore the world of photography. With advancements in technology, capturing stunning images has never been easier. Learn the basics of composition, lighting, and editing to take your photography to the next level. For those interested in technology, coding is a must-learn skill. With countless online resources and tutorials available, you can start with the basics of HTML and CSS, or dive into more advanced languages like Python and JavaScript. Looking for a hands-on hobby? Gardening is not only therapeutic, but also a great way to connect with nature. Learn how to grow your own fruits, vegetables, and flowers, and watch your garden thrive. And finally, unleash your creativity with graphic design. With software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, you can design stunning graphics, logos, and illustrations from the comfort of your own home. So what skill will you learn in 2024? Whether it's cooking, photography, coding, gardening, or graphic design, the possibilities are endless. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, tutorials, and inspiration on your learning journey. Let's make 2024 the year of mastering new skills. Until next time, happy learning.